Hi everyone, my name is Molly Gabrielson, and I chose to do my poster and research on making time for mindfulness. And truly, my purpose is right there itself in the title, making time for mindfulness. This could be just even just minutes out of your day to really not only help your students, but you as a teacher as well. And I've created this poster as well as my handout to help us think of just some quick ideas of what can we do each day to help our students have that meaningful mindfulness time. And I don't know about you guys, but when I go to professional development or I'm trying to even learn something new myself, I am so happy if I can walk away from it just having one, two, even three things to start implementing right away to help my students. So that's my goal right now. And with my poster as well as my handout is even just to give you a few things right away to learn from. But there's so many amazing benefits that come from creating mindfulness in the classroom. We think about our students when they're stressed or nervous, or even just kind of needing a moment to reset. If they're feeling comfortable, safe, and relaxed, they're going to do so much better with learning new things, living every day with their social lives and just their social emotional well-being. So if we can implement things like breathing exercises simply by putting your hands on your tummy and modeling breathing in and out, our brain needs oxygen, and that also helps us relax as teachers too. Having positive classroom climate, having morning meetings every day, helping them self-regulate, providing some sensory experiences with Play-Doh. There's so many great possibilities, and just by implementing one or two a day will help our students tremendously.